Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the actual iOS font files and confirming licensing because you need compatible TTF or OT files. Once obtained, make a backup of your Android system fonts to /SD card /backup so you can restore if needed. Next, enable install from unknown sources or permit your font app. This lets you move forward. Finally, transfer the iOS font to your device storage. This is the critical first action before any conversion or system changes. Now you execute the middle steps. For non-root, use a reputable font installer or launcher that supports custom fonts. Convert fonts to the required format if the app needs. TTF. For rooted users, mount /system read write, copy the iOS font into /system/fonts, and set permissions to 0644 so Android can read them. Once replaced, rebuild the font cache or run the font cache utility, and reboot the device. This ensures Android recognizes the new files. Finish by applying the new font through your system settings or launcher, then reboot once more to ensure full coverage across apps. If you see missing glyphs or alignment issues, check that the font file includes required weights, try a different iOS variant, or verify the file name matches expected system naming. Make sure to keep your backup so you can revert quickly. If Android shows crashes, restore backup, clear app caches, and then reapply the font carefully to diagnose the exact conflict.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.